Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Radeon RX 9070 GRE ATX Megalodon graphics card. So friends, ASUS has introduced first ATS model to feature the RDNA 4 architecture, and it followed the ATS RX 7650 GRE, which was based on the older RDNA 3 architecture. In the RX 9070 GRE is currently exclusive to the Chinese market with pre-order already available and retail availability scheduled for 8 May. So friend, the RX 9070 GRE is built on the Navi 48 GPU and offering 48 compute units and 3072 stream processor, and it comes with 12 GB GDDR6 memory and 192-bit memory bus, delivering 432 GB per second of bandwidth, and the card features a boost clock of up to 2.79 GHz and slightly higher than the standard RX 9070. And ASUS has confirmed that its ATS Megalodon graphics card will ship with highest boost clock of 2860 MHz out of the box and up to 2880 MHz when using OC Profile via GPU Tweak software. So friend, the total board power of 220 watt and required dual 8-pin power connector, and ASUS recommend a 650 watt power supply for system using this GPU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.